Hi, in this video we are going to see about selection sort and insertion sort that is under the category of data structure and algorithm. In in selection sort and different sort are the both sorting operation using different algorithms. Let us see the code first. I'll show you the output. So here I will run. It asks enter the size of the array. I am giving 5 size and I'm giving the input randomly 45, 23, 90, 11 and 10. Now it's sort in the ascending order. See, before it's sorted, what are the values 45, 23, 90, 11 uh, and 10. Now what is the selecting sort is the it will that is sort in ascending order. In insertion sort also sort in ascending order. Both the outcome is same, but the algorithm used in selecting sort and insertion sort are different. That is the main part of this program. Now let us see how it is the algorithms work. Now initially the selection sort means what will happen. See here I have took an example that is array size is size is 4. See here size equal to 4. So n equal to 4 means what will happen? Size equal to 4. Now I'll explain by the code. Initially I have printed the for getting the size of the array. I printed size of the array. See size of the array and I asked enter the values that is I have used in for loop. That is in for loop it will get the values from the user and store in an array. That is one by one it will store in array. See before sorting means just I am displaying what are the values I have given in the array. See here just I have displayed for loop, indet for loop, printf and one by one I have been displaying. Now selection sort is what is that? Initially I am creating a temp. Initially I am creating a temp and two for loop is been used. See here what is that? Initially I am taking one value first values. See here. Initially I am taking a that is first value is 86. So 86 have been taken. So 86 have been taken. That is the outer for loop range that is I start from 0. The inner for loop starts from that is I plus 1. I is 0 so I plus 1 means 1. That is j will start from this. So j will start from this and I will start from 0. So so it will ask that. See here, I will start from I equal to 0 to up to n and j equal to I plus 1 to up to n. So I plus plus j plus plus. Now, while coming inside this for loop, what will happen? What will happen that initially it will come for outer for loop and it will go inside the for loop and array of I is 0. So array of 0 is greater than array of j. That means see here array of 0 86 is greater than 26. In this situation, yes. So what will happen? We need to swap because the first element is greater than second element. So for that I have that is created a temporary for swapping I have created temporary memory. So that is temp equal to array of j and array of j equal to array of I equal to array temp. That means see a temp I'm storing temp equal to 26. So temp contain 26 and what the array of I the array of j equal to uh, array of see here array of j is this is this part. So array of j equal to um, array of j equal to array of I. That means array of j equal to 86. So it will become 86 here, and here another line is that temp equal to, sorry, array of I equal to temp. Then now temp contains initially that we have declared 26, that is array of j is stored in temp. So array of I equal to temp means here 26. So it will swap. So here 26, here 86. So that is the swap operation in between them. So this is the selection sort. That means simply that it will check one by one. Here initially it will take one number, that from first number it will take, and from first number it will compare this 86 is greater than 26. If it is means it will swap both, and it will check 86 is greater than that is 18. So it will initially it will swap means what will happen, 26 and 86 will be here. Now it will check 26 and 18, and what will happen, it will swap, 18 will be here and 26 will be here. So what will happen, again it will check 18 is greater than 10. Yes, then what will happen, 10 will be here, and uh, 18 will be here. And what will happen, now it will check 10 and 25. No. So what will happen, initially that is the first round, what will be the values, 26 here, 20, sorry, uh, 10 comma uh, 86 comma 26 comma 18 comma 25. So these are the values will be the in I equal to 0. Now I equal to 1 means it will check second number, that is second number with these numbers. So 86 greater than 26, yes. So it will swap, now 10, 26, 86 will be there. Then 26 is greater than 18. Yes. So it will swap like this up to n. So first it will check first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and fifth number. At last, it will be sorted in ascending order. So this is the selection sort method we have been using in this method. Now next is our insertion sort. Insertion sort is the another method, another algorithm we have been using here. That is that first it will take here, first it will take this number. That is from the for loop it will start from 1. That is index position 1, not 0. First number it will leave it. From 1 it will start from 1 to n, that is n equal to here 4. So up to from 1 to 4 it will be start. See here in this code I have used for y equal to 1 to n. I have not initiated 0 because I will show you why. See here we are creating on a temporary variable called element. See here we are creating temporary variable called element. So I am using e here for simply our understanding, e equal to. So the elements contains the array of I. So array of I is the I value is 1. So array of I 26. So 26 is contained. Now now j equal to one integer, j equal to I minus 1. So I minus 1 means 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So j equal to 0. So j equal to 0. Now in the while condition what we are giving is that, see here, j is greater than 0 and array of j is greater than element. That means j is greater than or equal to 0. This condition true, and array of I, see array of j. Array of j means, that means array of 0, 86 is greater than element. Element value is 26. Now 86 is greater than 26. Yes, it is true. So it will get inside the while loop and it will execute this statement, that is array of j plus 1 equal to array of j. That means array of j plus 1 means 1 in this position. It will store array of j. That means 86 will be uh, 86 will be so 80 so 86 will be stored here, here also 86. So now j minus minus means j equal to 0 minus 1 minus 1. So what will happen? Now again it will check j is greater than or equal to 0 and array of j is greater than element. This value it will satisfy means, but this value is not satisfied because j is now minus 1. So j is greater than or equal to 0. No, it not satisfied. It will go out of the while loop and it will execute array of j plus 1 equal to element. That means now array of j plus 1, that is j equal to minus 1, array of so here array of j plus 1. So array of j plus 1 means j is minus 1, j plus 1 is 0. So array of 0, it is element. So 26 will be stored here. So what will be the at last, what will be there? 26, 86, 18, 10 and 25. This will be the first, that is in the for loop first round. What will be the values of the array at the second? So these are sorted. See here, 26 is initially 86 is in the first and 26 in the second. So now 26 will be the first and 86 is the second. At the next round, what will be happened? Now I equal to 2 will be happened. Same. Now I equal to 2 means it will point to here. That is I equal to 2. Now j equal to, so element will be stored as 18 here. So here 18 will be stored. So what will happen? J equal to j I plus I minus 1 means I equal to 2 means now j equal to not 0, it is 1. Now what will we check? So now j, that is array of j. Now j is greater than or equal to 0. So 1 it is greater than or equal to 0 and array of j is greater than element. So array of j means that is 86. See here, that is 86. This will be the one. 86 is greater than element is 18. So 86 is greater than that is 18. Yes, it is greater than. So what will happen? 26, 86 and it is greater than means, so what in this position it will store 86 and 10 and 25. Then what will happen? Now j will be decremented. Now j is decrement to 1 minus 1 means j equal to 0. Now again it will satisfy because j is greater than or equal to 0. Now greater than or equal to 0. Now j equal to 0. Again it will go inside the while loop and what will happen? Again array of j, array of here uh, array of j plus 1 equal to j. So array of j plus 1 is in that position. um, So j equal to 0 and array of j is greater than element. Now what will be? It will check this array of j is now 0. So 0 array of j is greater than element. Now this it will check, that is 26 is greater than 18. Yes. So what will happen here? It will store that is it will store array of j plus 1 equal to j. So in the j plus 1 position it will equal to j. So what will happen? 26, 26, 86, 10 and 25. So uh, so it will be executed and it will go outside. After that j will be decremented. So j equal to minus 1. So it will come, not does not come inside the while loop and this statement will be executed. Array of j plus 1 equal to element. So array of j plus 1 equal to elements, array j equal to minus 1. So j plus 1 is 0. So array of 0 equal to element. So element is 18. So it will be, what will be 18, 26, 86, 10 and 25. So This is 26. Now, what initially in the first round, what is that? 26, 86, and 18. So, 18 here, 18 is less than 26. So, we are sorting in this form. So, now at the second round, what is here? This is the second round. At the end of second round, what is that? 18 came first, 26 is the second, and 86 is the third. So, it is in the order of the ascending. So, at the next 10 will become in the first, and 25 will come in between this 18 and 26. So this is the order of this is the selection sort. So the difference between insertion sort and select so the difference between insertion sort and selection sort is that in insertion sort we are just checking one by we are taking the one element and checking with the other elements in the array, but in selection sort we are taking the next element, that is we are leaving one element and taking the all other elements and checking with the first element. So we are taking the one element, that is we are taking the one element and we are comparing with the first element. So these are the difference between selection sort and insertion sort. So so this is the program, that is the I have explained, that is here initially it will assign the element and it will decrement j value, and it will see here array if j is greater than or equal to 1 and 0, and array of j is greater than element means it will assign array of j plus 1 equal to array of j, and j minus minus and array of j plus 1 equal to element. So this is the code in C++. C. So now let us run and show the code. See here, we can perform the same operation, that is we have to show you in the paint 86, 26, 18, 10, 25. See here 86, 26, 18, 10, and 25. See here 86, 26, 18, 10, 25, 10, 18, 25, 26, 86, 10, 18, 25, 26, 86. So this is the operation. This was the insertion and selection sort. Thank you.